Hi, today we are going to learn about atom. Atom consists of a nucleus made up of protons and neutrons orbited by electrons. Atoms are the basic unit of matter and the defining structure of elements. The term atom comes from the Greek word for indivisible because it was once thought the atoms were the smallest things in the universe and could not be divided. If iron undergoes a chemical change, this change. Thus, we conclude that the atom is the smallest unit of an element that takes part in a chemical change. An atom is made up of even smaller particles, namely electron, proton, and neutrons. These particles are known as subatomic particles of fundamental particles. This is the subatomic particle, which looks like a stable subatomic particle with a charge of negatively charged found in all atoms and acting as the primary carrier of electric in solid. The electron was discovered by the English physicist J.J. Thomson in the year 1897 via his experiments with cathode ray tubes. Charge of electrons. An electron is a negatively charged particle. The negative charge is equal to 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb in magnitude. The mass of an electron is 1 by 1837 of a proton. The SI unit of electric charge equal to the quantity of electric conveyed in 1 second by a current of an ampere. Mass of electron. The mass of an electron is 9.1093856 into 10 power minus 31 kilograms. The mass of the electron is negatively compared to the mass of the proton. Protons. Protons are the positively charged particles which are present in the nucleus of hydrogen atoms. The mass of a proton is 1.6726219 into 10 power minus 27 kilograms. Protons are positively charged particles. Electrons are negatively charged and neutrons have no charge. In an atom, the number of protons and electrons are equal. Thus, an atom is electrically neutral in nature. Protons and neutrons look like this. Neutrons. Neutrons are subatomic particles that are one of the primary constituents of an atomic nuclei. They are usually denoted by symbol N or No. Neutrons do not have any net electrical charge associated with them. They do, however, have mass which is slightly greater in magnitude than that of a proton. Neutrons and protons are collectively referred to as nucleons. Discovery of neutrons. Neutrons were the first theorized by the New Zealand-born British physicist Ernst Rutherford in year 1920. The discovery of neutrons is credited to the British physicist James Chadwick in the year 1932. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for this discovery in the year 1935. Properties of neutron. Despite the fact that the neutron is considered to be a neutral particle, the magnitude movement of the neutrons is not equal to 0, even though electrical fields have no efficient on neutrons. These subatomic particles are affected by the presence of magnetic fields. Charge and mass of neutrons. The electrical charge that is associated with a neutron is 0. Therefore, neutrons are neutrally charged subatomic particles. The charge of the neutron is roughly equal to 1.8 atomic mass units. When we convert into kilogram, the mass neutron can be approximated to 1.674 into 10 minus 27 kg.